Hey guys, it's me, Tasia Majel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have Yolissa Hair. They sent me a 24-inch, 13x4, 180% density wig. It came pre-curled, so yeah, you don't have to worry about that. This video is going to be of me just installing the wig straight out of the box, so you guys can see how it'll look. This is the knots. The knots were really small, and it was pre-plucked, which I like that. Look at that. I'm not doing anything extra to this wig. I didn't pluck it or anything, so like this is really straight out of the box. Look at that. It was already nice. I didn't have to do anything. Sometimes these blondes can be a little intense for me because I'm normally used to the ashy tone blondes, but this blonde is a yellow, goldeny tone, so I was really nervous. In the end, it came out cute. This is the back of the wig. When I brush out the curls, it was looking a mess, but we're gonna end up fixing it. I went ahead and did some Hollywood curls. I'll show you that in the end, but after I did that, I still combed it out and just left it a little wild and messy. I left it wild and messy because bedhead is cute. You can make it work. This is me cutting the ear tabs and combing the hair back with a hot comb so I can get ready to spray it down with my adhesive spray. My process with the adhesive spray is spraying it on top of the lace, getting my blow dryer on cool and blow drying it dry, getting a razor, cutting the lace off, and then cleaning it up with that same spray or some spritz. It's not a difficult process, just a tedious one. I do prefer to use the spray for quick installs because I can get it over with, not a lot of waiting time. I'm gonna let the music play so you guys can see what I explain and then come back when I'm needed.
Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Are you fronting on me and I'm a main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just trying to be away with you, main one crying. Are you fronting on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying? And I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Look at her. Look at her. I was combing out all of the hard parts in the lace when I was using that spray so the hair can be softer. But right here, I'm trying to figure out what I wanted to do. So this is where the Hollywood curls came in. It's already kind of curled and fluffed, so all I had to do was put some holding spray in there, form the curls a bit, comb it, and it'll set by itself. I ended up cutting some framing bangs. It looked cute. I liked it. But yeah, in the end, I'm going to show you a picture of what I did because I just ended up combing it all out.
You be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Ho, I got something that I could lend you. Ho, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f*** your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical.
Like, it ended up being cute. It's real cute. If I had like the right fit and some pearls, like, it'll be a whole look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Here are the pictures. I should have combed it out right on camera.
Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I 20